Hello nature lovers, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm gonna dive you into my journey of transforming this yummy fruit here, a lemon fruit, into a young lemon tree, being that indoors or outdoors. So from seeds into this, and then of course after a while into this big fellow right here. So stay tuned and let's jump into it. Okay guys, so the procedure is quite simple. All you need is a couple of lemon fruits, and I suggest you get them organic because they germinate better than non-organic lemon trees. So what you want to do is go on, cut them in half. Don't worry about cutting any seeds. We can't use those that we cut, but that's why I suggest you get a few fruits. So even if you cut some seeds, you will find others as well, just like this. These are the ones that we want, okay? Be careful when you get them out. There you go. We don't want these, of course, but there are plenty, like I said. Now, make sure to plant as many seeds as possible because not all of them are going to sprout. Okay, so I'm not gonna open this other fruit, you get the idea. So now that you've taken out all the necessary seeds, or the ones that you are gonna keep, forget about everything that you've learned, or that you've heard, like you have to peel them off, you have to wash them, you have to, I don't know, let them dry for a day, you have to wrap them up with a wet paper towel and then leave them into darkness for, I don't know, 2 weeks or something. Forget all about that. What you want to do is grab a plastic glass or a tiny pot, if you will, and then make some holes, not deeper than 1 inch. And then what you want to do is put those seeds right into the soil, okay? Like I said, you can use a plastic glass just like I'm doing, or a small pot, because it doesn't really matter. Eventually you're gonna have to, repot them and separate them into different pots. Gently push them down just a little bit and gently cover them with soil. That's it. Okay, now that you've done that, grab a little bit of water. There you go. And of course, you're gonna have to water them regularly, at least until they start to sprout, right? There you go, that's enough for now, okay? So let me just show you something while we're here. This is from my last propagation or growth, if you will. However, these ones here, these are orange seeds, but it's basically quite the same. Take out the seeds, put them into the soil, give them water and indirect bright light, and you will get these within 2 weeks. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, so now that you saw how easy it is to make this procedure, let me just show you the life journey of this guy here and of this little guy that I showed you at the beginning. So stay tuned and we'll get back here again. So here we are, mid-February 2024, 2 weeks after I planted the seeds, and I start to see some growth. Some seeds are going to germinate before others, and that is totally normal. While more seeds start to sprout, I put the bigger ones into separate plastic glasses. But still, there were a lot more seeds that were growing, and eventually, once they were big enough, I put all of them into separate plastic glasses. I'm still keeping them indoors and waiting for the weather to get warmer, and once it does, I take them out on one of my balconies and put them into a corner so they won't get direct sunlight. Not for now, at least. You can tell that they grew bigger and bigger and new leaves are starting to appear. They also have a nice and healthy root system. Okay, so let's fast forward to the end of July, and now the difference is quite obvious. They have grown taller and bigger, and they have more and more leaves. I've taken them to my other balcony where they can get full sun all day long. I still haven't done anything to them, and I still haven't separated all of them, but I will eventually. And here is another perspective from inside the apartment. Okay, so let's fast forward again and now to November 2024. And as you can see, they are doing just fine, quite healthy, and new branches are starting to grow. Don't worry about the brown leaves, it's quite normal, they will fall and new ones or new branches will grow on their own. I haven't done anything to them except for watering them and leave them in direct sunlight, and they are quite healthy. So yeah, this was it for today's video, guys. And by the way, I consulted with a professional and asked him if I should keep these lemon trees indoors during the winter, or I can leave them outside. And the first thing that he said, actually he asked, was if I've grafted them. And since I haven't grafted them yet, apparently they are quite resistant. I don't know about really cold winters. However, just to be sure, just in case, I'm gonna keep some of these pots indoors, and why not, when spring comes, I'm gonna take them outside again, of course, and compare them with the rest, with the ones that survive, if they survive the winter. However, I've been consulting this professional for a very long time, and his advices have proven to be very valuable till now. Okay guys, so thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, subscribe, and of course, stay natural.